Welcome again students, our chapter number 7. Okay, chapter 7 part 2. Okay, now we will discuss about migrations. What is migration? Yes, the migration of birds or other animals is an adaptation to escape the harsh and cold condition of their normal habitat in winter so as to survive. Okay, in other words, simple words we can say that migration is the regular movement of animal from one location to another location. Clear students? Yes, animal migration is the relatively long distance movement of individual, usually on a seasonal basis. Okay, it is found in all major animals groups. It can be also defined as a movement leading to the redistribution of individuals within a populations. Okay, the birds which migrate from very cold region to warm regions in winter and go back after the winter overall called migratory birds. Okay, one of the most common migratory birds which comes to India every year for a few months is the Siberian crane. Yes, the Siberian crane's musk keep its body warm to survive in winter. So, during winter it migrates to far away warmer places. Siberian cranes comes to place in India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana to escape from the extreme winter in Siberia. Yes, how do migratory birds travel to same place year after year? An exact answer to this question is still not available. Some of the probable reasons for how the migratory birds travel in the same place year after year as follows. Okay, the first point is it seems that the migratory birds have a built-in a sense of direction which tells them in which direction to fly to reach the same place. Some migratory birds probably used landmarks to guide them to reach the same place. Okay, many migratory birds may be guided by the position of the sun during the day and by the position of stars at night to reach the same place. Okay, there is also evidence that migratory birds may be using a magnetic field of earth to find the direction so as to reach the same place. It is not only the birds which migrate, even mammals, many types of fish and insects are known to migrate seasonally in search of favorable climates and conditions and food. Clear? Yeah, students, the tropical rainforest, the area of earth near both sides of the equator is called tropical region. Okay, the tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Okay, during hot summer days and the temperature in this region may go above 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, the tropical region have hot and humid climate and important features of the tropical region of earth is the tropical rainforest. Okay, in India tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam. In here some points are there. Okay, the tropical rainforest. The tropical region have a hot climate because of its location around the equator. The minimum temperature is more than 15 degrees Celsius during cold winter and the maximum temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius during hot summer. Okay, the days and night are of almost equal length. Clear? These regions also have plenty of rainfall. The tropical region in India are Western Ghat and Assam. In the world, the tropical regions are Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. Okay, the common animals found in tropical rainforest. Here tropical climate are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, snakes, lizard, insect, birds, etc. Cat, okay, cat, big cat. The wild animals such as lions and tigers etc. are called big cats. Okay, the big cats have a highly developed sense of smell. Okay, the yellow brown color of lion and the yellow brown color with black stripes of tiger help them to hide in the forest without being seen easily. Okay, the big cats, lions or tiger have eyes in front of their head which enable them to have a correct idea of the location of their prey. Okay, the big cats can run very fast. Okay, the big cats have long, strong and sharp claws in their front legs to catch their prey. Okay, in other words we can say that the big cat and leopard have flexible bodies designs for running, jumping and climbing. Okay, their intestines are short as they only digest meat and not vegetable matter. Okay, their sharp teeth are like scissors to tear the flesh. They hunt at night because they have larger field of visions. Okay, students? Yes, adaptation of lions and tigers. Lions and tigers have thick brown skin which help them to hide easily in the forest. They have sensitive hearing and sharp eyesight, okay, which help to protect them from predators and to catch their prey. Yes, students, adaptation of the elephant. The elephant has a long trunk which is used as nose and for picking up food. It has a strong sense of smell. The trunk are modified teeth which help it to tear bark of tree to eat. Its large ears help it to hear even soft sound. Okay, it also help it to cool itself, okay, in hot climate. Yeah, red-eyed frog. Red-eyed tree frogs eat mostly insects such as crickets, moths, flies and beetles. Okay, they catch their food with their long sticky tongues. They are strictly nocturnal and will only feed at night. Okay. Yes, red-eyed tree frog adaptation. Frogs have sticky tongues to catch flies and their insects. Strong legs help the frog leap out of dangers, and large suction cups of feet help the frog climb trees and grass. Yeah, students, very beautiful words is here. Yeah, toucan. Okay, toucan, adaptation of toucan. Toucans are a brightly colored bird with long, large and colorful beaks. Toucan lives in trees. Okay, they make their nests in trees, hollow and holes excavated by the other animals. Okay, they are primarily fruit eating, okay, but also prey upon insect and small reptiles. Clear? They have a long, large beaks which help them to reach the fruits on branches. Yes, adaptations of monkey. Monkeys live on tree. They have long tails for grasping branches. Their hands and feet also help them to hold on to branches. Okay, monkey are expert climbers. Monkey have long and strong gripping tails which they use to grasping branches of trees. Monkey have very good eyesight. And the last point is, in the rainforest habitat, monkey eat fruits, seeds, leaves, roots and insect as a food. Yes, adaptations in loin-tailed monkeys. Okay, loin-tailed monkeys. The most outstanding features of loin-tailed monkey is its silver white mane. Okay, which surrounds its head from the cheeks down to its chin. Clear? Okay, lion-tailed macaque is also called beard api. Okay, lion-tailed macaque are a unique to India. The lion-tailed macaque live in a rainforest of Western Ghats in India. Clear? Yes, the various adaptation in lion-tailed macaque which help them live and survive on the trees in tropical rainforest or as follow. Okay, clear? Yes, the lion-tailed macaque is a good climber and spend most of its time high up in the trees. Okay, the lion-tailed macaque have very good eyesight which help in it leaping between the branches. Clear? And the lion-tailed macaque feed mainly on fruits on the trees. Okay, it also eats seeds, leaves, stem, flower and buds also. Clear? So, lion-tailed macaque also search for insect under the bark of trees and eat them. Clear, students? Yes guys, I hope you understand what is in this chapter and enjoying them.